How to clear cache in Hulu. In order to clear cache in Hulu, the method varies by device. So what you want to do is here, if you are going with your Androids or smart TVs, you just want to open up your device's settings, or you just want to go ahead and locate Hulu from the list. Tap on the apps or application section, find the section, the Hulu app. So what you want to do is here, locate settings on your device. When you go to the settings section, from the list you want to click on app section, locate Hulu from the list, and over here you just want to go ahead and simply click on storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache, and this way you'll be able to clear cache in Hulu on your Android device. And as for the iOS, you could just simply go ahead and remove Hulu app and then re-download the app from your respective app store, and that's gonna help you out to actually go ahead and clear cache in Hulu. So this is how you'll be able to clear cache in Hulu. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.